Hanging out here for? Well, listen, thank you all for coming. This is really, really big news. Actually, huge news for us, and we're excited that everybody's here to share this moment. And I'm going to repeat a couple of things I said over there. You know, if it wasn't for our partnership with RMC, Darren, Fred, and Jake, we wouldn't be here today. And if it wasn't for my father and what he's done for FunSpot and laying the foundation, we definitely would not be here today. And it takes a team to make all this work. And everybody you see in the Arieforce 1 shirts is a part of our team, our family. And we're just so very thankful for them. Because at the end of the day, the teamwork makes the dream work. And so I'm going to give you a couple more facts on this coaster. First of all, it's 3,400 feet long, 146 feet tall, our tallest roller coaster of all times. It's going to have an 83-degree drop from the lift hill. Maximum speeds of 64 miles an hour, which is going to be our fastest coaster again. And it's got the first ever Raven Truss dive and the largest zero-G stall in America. So it's going to be something special. After we do this toast here, we're going to reveal the car, and please take pictures, tag RMC. Let's get them some publicity out there in the social media world, as well as FunSpot America. Let's make this thing huge, because at the end of the day, it takes everybody in this room to make it work, and all of our guests that come to the park, and we're so thankful for that. One other thing, I'm going to hand the phone to my dad, or the mic to my dad. But let me go ahead and see if he has anything to say.
Thanks, John. I really don't have much to say. I'm very honored and privileged and proud that I've been honored with this. I didn't expect it. I didn't think it would really come about. But thank you very much, John. Thank you all for making FunSpot what it is. And I really want to thank, we can do everything right, but God gives the increase, and that's where we are. So I want to give him credit too, that he's allowed FunSpot to grow and develop and be the force that it is here in Orlando.
One thing I forgot to tell everybody is that if you're in the market for an RMC coaster, they have an opening right now, and they can get your coaster done by the end of the year, but you have to pay cash for it today. All right? So anyways, let's go ahead. Hey, everybody raise your cups. How many of y'all want to see this train? Hey, so cheers to two American companies making the world a better place through our roller coasters and our great parks and our team. Cheers, everybody. Let's see what this thing looks like. Cheers. All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. You ready? Yeah. Here we go. Nice. So this is the swing axle train, second generation. I'm going to let Darren or Fred, if they want to speak. You guys want to hear from Darren or Fred? Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're the best. So let me have them explain a little bit about this train.
Well, first off, if everybody isn't familiar with RMC, we're a small family company located in North Idaho. I am so proud of the team that put this together. We do, if you're not familiar with us, we do the design, manufacturing, and installation, which is very unique, and it gives us a lot of control. The innovation, the craftsmanship that goes into this. I got it a little bit better here. So, but very pleased with everybody's done into this. Gentleman with me here is Fred Grubb, who's really the visionary and innovator behind RMC. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Fred. Let Fred say a couple words.
Hi, everybody. I really don't have much to say back. I'm very proud. I'm very proud to be working with FunSpot. These are some of the best people that we've worked for, and it's going to be a great partnership. And I'm just proud to be doing it, and proud of all our team, proud of theirs. So I hope everybody has a good time and likes the product.
One more thing for everybody before you leave. We're going to get in here and do some photo ops, but over here are some t-shirts for everyone, and this is your boarding pass. So make sure you get your lanyard with your boarding pass, and I'll get you on the ride when it opens in 2022.
And one last thing, I want to re-emphasize that 100% of this coaster and the tracks and everything else was made in America and came from America. 100%.
Yeah, go ahead. You're counting on you.
All right, here we go.
I'm glad you guys are here.
Seatbelts are on. Let's go. Hands up. Yeah. Going to the right. Going to the right. Going to the right. Going left. Going up. Going down. One down. One down.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you all. Thank you for being here. Get your lanyards. Get your T-shirts. Thank you for coming.